Secretary General John Green Tech Foundation Uritre Lingdo Hagasni Thodiang Ulapin Bana Ba Unsdang Yagajing Shatngan Klembo por Hadian Katu Katni Kenta Ba Chairman Uba H Bansudor Nonglang Ula Sha Sumar Ha Hospital Hadian Kandai Sni Gajing Ki Bam Lingdo Ulaong Ba Gajing Ko Jingkia Jong Chairman Kalanang Hiar Kabala Penlong Yaki Ban Smokia Bha Walau Sha Sumar Hinre Chairman Udang Beteng Yagajing Shatngan No Hospital Ula penshairu baga jingye khi kampat kut bat mau kum uno yalam ula shim yakarai ban beteng yakani ka jingye khi hadu baga sarkar kan ay ka jubab ka bashai halor ka jing ay wain ru phosnem yakalum pangdeng ula kin thoru ya ka sarkar da ka ba ong ba ki jingye tho jongki kim shai bat ka jing ay wa ka jaka klem jing thmu kalong ka ba klem jing mod ha ka jo kapor ula ong ba ka GTF ka long ka ba kloy ban yakren bat ka sarkar hinre de ban long da ka jing tho ka ba pura bat ka ba shai na ka benta ka jing mentoy jong ka jila Meghalaya barokawi
Uh, the health of our chairman after 9 days of indefinite hunger strike has deteriorated very, very negatively, and we had started to be concerned on his overall health, especially his negative effects that would be lifelong. And also, we are scared if our chairman becomes incapacitated due to this hunger strike on humanitarian grounds. As the foundation, we had taken a decision that, and we also had requested him that he may be shifted to the nearest health center. As of now, our chairman has not broken his hunger strike, neither he is being facilitated with anything that can say that he has broken his strike. But even in the midst of medical treatment, he is still strong because he will continue his hunger strike from the medical center facility wherever he is admitted. Regarding the decision of this evening from Green Tech Foundation, I, as the Secretary General of Green Tech Foundation, have taken a bold decision and a mature decision, knowing the repercussions of my decision. Will continue this peaceful demonstration, and I have announced that I will be on an indefinite hunger strike from today until the government comes with a reply to us saying that they have completely scrapped, removed and revoked the agreement, the certificate of handing over, and the lease agreement of Lumpong Deng being part and parcel of the luxury resort and spa. The chief minister, the chief minister, may has he's a minister of I will assure you, I will ensure you, but nothing is sure about whatever he says. Yesterday also we had received a letter from the Joint Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Tourism Department, where they had clarified that there will be no construction on Lumpong Deng Island. But we would like to question and retaliate that clarification. If we have no construction at all, what about the lease deed that you have entered into with Umyam Hotels Private Limited that lasts for about 60 years? It makes no sense. It is absurd. It is stupid that the government would hand over a land without any purpose. The government has to come clear and it has to come clean, because this issue is no longer the issue of Green Tech Foundation, but it is the issue of the community of Meghalaya as a whole. See, since day one we have made ourselves very clear. If there is any formal communication for talks or for resolutions, we are open, but everything must be done in writing, formally communicated, and we will attend such invitations for constructive decisions and constructive benefit of the entire community of Meghalaya.
Bapin syusathan, balay bapit supun tongkai, ya kamet lajo. Namarba ka kabapi amnot ngiru hangni. Syuaban take up yang ada projek. Ngiladon minata rejik tebu. Ngikulah. Bahkan nungdon kanu kajing penjot. Yaki klau yaki betap. Kajing penjot. Yaki ting isit. Itwa sisyaban preserve. Baka environment. Kan long kabapit kababiang. Hapok ke jelam meglan. Bahkan ni kan long kajing toy ru. Yaki pateng. Yaki kun. Kiksi hujongi. Lasai lasengi. Kin imsuk kin